Check this out. Oh, unboxing time. Yay! Yippee, yippee, yay, yay. Yeah, our old oven decided to just retire, to just give on us. Yeah. So we have a new one. Oops. Yeah, it's Panasonic. I like the color though. Yippee, yippee, yay, yay. Yippee, yippee, yay, yay. Oops, why am I so blurry? Okay. Aha. What do we have? Yep. Yeah, it's supposed to be that way. Okay. The wheels on the bus goes round and round. Someone rather reminded me of the wheels on the bus. Okay. Ooh la la. Oops. I'm gonna take it out. Uh-oh. This oh. Yep, I think I need to tilt it. Yep. This just arrived at the door. Yeah, we just received it today. It's quite a fast delivery though. Yeah, I think we actually ordered it like, I think about a few days back, I guess. Nicey-micey. Yay! Oops. Yay! Check that out. You like it? Oh, I love it. Very nice indeed. Coolie coolie. Yep. Yep. And we're good to go. So let's start hitting something. Somehow or other, the cod fish on the cover is making me hungry. Did I mention? I can't remember actually. I can't remember. I can't remember. Nice. Okay, how? How is it? Yay! Yay! Happy, happy. So let's start hitting. Let's start cooking something. We can have popcorn. Popcorns.